So you might have a problem with your OnePlus 15 where you're not getting incoming calls on the phone. Even though your SIM card is on, you can text to the SIM card, you can use mobile data on the SIM card, but for some reason, you're not getting incoming calls. Here's a possible solution to that problem. So go to the phone app and then tap on the three dots in the top right corner and then select block and filter. And then from here, tap on the three dots again and then select block and filter, and then go to the block calls option. And you might have this enabled where it blocks all calls, or maybe it blocks calls from unknown numbers, or maybe wandering calls from private numbers. You might have one of these enabled. So you can go and turn all this off, and maybe that should help fix your problem and you get incoming calls on your phone. So that's possibly what's making you not get incoming calls on your phone. Thanks for watching and good luck.